Hey guys, my name is Yuvraj. Welcome to my channel Technology Zone. I hope all of you are doing absolutely fine. Guys, this is a very critical time in our country, so I will request all of you to stay indoors and stay safe. Don't go out unless it's very essential, and even if you go out, use sanitizer, use mask. So now today I am having India's most hyped smartphone of 2021. So today it will be an unboxing video of Redmi Note 10 Pro. As you already know, Redmi Note 10 Pro comes in three variants: 664, 6128 and 8128. The prices are for 664 15,999, for 6128 is 16,999, and for 8128 it's 18,999. And there are three color variants: vintage bronze, dark night and glacier blue. So today I am having 6128GB version of Redmi Note 10 Pro and its color is glacier blue. So let us start the unboxing experience. So this is a very simple box, typical Redmi unboxing. So guys, this I have purchased it from me.com because I was not getting it from Amazon. So luckily this 6128GB version was available in me.com and it was delivered to me within 3 days. So delivery was very spontaneous. So I have just cut open the seal of this Redmi Note 10 Pro boxing. So as soon as I open this box, there's nothing inside it, and India's #1 smartphone branding is over here in the front, and the color vintage bronze color, but my color is glacier blue. And next is this small box inside this big box from Redmi. It shows designed by Redmi, and if I just open over here, SIM ejector tool, the most important thing if you buy a smartphone. And there are some paperwork. This is from user guide, and it's a TPU case. Now let me show you about the quality. Yeah, it's a simple TPU case as we find in most smartphones these days. So, and after that, this is the phone, Redmi Note 10 Pro in this glacier blue. And let us peel this plastic, and it gives me a great satisfying feeling if I just peel this plastic. Oh my goodness gracious, see this color, man. Wow, wow, just wow. And it feels very premium to hold, very premium. And now let us keep this smartphone for now. And after this, there's nothing. Oh, and this is the type A to type C charger. Yeah, some orange accent is there in the cable. And after that, this is the huge brick from Xiaomi. It is 33-watt charger inside the box. I'm very happy to see that, because these days manufacturers are just removing the chargers from the box. I'm talking about you, Apple. And now let us keep all these things aside, and let us talk about the star of the show, obviously, which is Redmi Note 10 Pro. And guys, Xiaomi has hyped so much because there was so much demand. I was trying to get this smartphone for the past couple of months and I was not getting. I was getting Redmi Note 10 Pro Max, but to be very honest, I didn't consider it to be the most value for money, because between Redmi Note 10 Pro and Redmi Note 10 Pro Max, the only difference is that Redmi Note 10 Pro comes with 64 megapixel camera, whereas Redmi Note 10 Pro Max comes with 108 megapixel primary camera. So now let me give the physical aspect overview of the Redmi Note 10 Pro smartphone. Weight is around 190 grams, and back of the phone is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5, and in the front it is also Corning Gorilla Glass 5, and it is a 6.67 Super AMOLED panel. Obviously it's a very good panel, and the best thing is that it has 120 Hz refresh rate. And in the top, our beloved headphone jack is there, and there is the speaker grill, and then there is IR blaster, the famous Xiaomi's IR blaster which Xiaomi puts in every smartphone. This is very important if you control your smartphone using a mobile, and you can, using this IR blaster, you can control your all the electrical appliances in your house like AC and washing machine and the TV, etc. And over here it's a primary microphone. And in the bottom we have the USB port. This is a type C port, obviously. The secondary speaker grill. This phone has dual stereo speakers, and I will show you all the sample that how good the quality is, and the secondary speaker grill. And In the back, the camera housing is there. It's 64 megapixel Samsung GM3 sensor. It's a focal length of f1.95, and there is a 8 megapixel ultra wide which has a field of view of 118 degree, and there is a 5 megapixel macro sensor which has a 2x telemacro fit into it, and is a 2 megapixel depth sensor. And in the front, the front camera is 16 megapixel. So let me just boot this phone. Oh, and the right hand side you get volume up and down keys and the power on off button, and inside the power on off button the fingerprint scanner is embedded, as we find mostly in, these days in the smartphones. Now let me just boot this smartphone, and I will be booting this smartphone for the first time. I hope it has some juice left. Yeah, so it gives a good haptic feedback once I switched on this smartphone. And let me just show you, powered by Android Redmi, and let me just show you, this MIUI logo is coming. And so it's just loading. So I will just skip all the initial process and I will just show you. It's MIUI 12. So over here you just have to do this, and India, English we have selected, India we have chosen the region. So let me now find what the next settings are. Typical MIUI 12, as we find in many Redmi or Xiaomi phones, even with Poco phones also, MIUI 12 is loaded. So it is expected to receive MIUI 12.5 very soon, guys. I think pilot testers already received MIUI 12.5 in both Redmi Note 10 Pro and Note 10 Pro Max. And over here, terms and policy. So you have to be very careful while accepting this, since the ad or the malware situation in MIUI. So over here you can just, I have read the policy agreement, and I have a face emoji. You can just unselect. We don't want face emoji keyboard. We are happy with the Gboard, which is Google's keyboard, and just have to accept this user agreement. Just have to select. Then checking for SIM card. You can just skip this, and Wi-Fi I will skip for now. And Google service, you can just disable the send usage and diagnostic data, and rest all you can select, because there is location tab and there is the allow scanning option. So just accept this. And over here there is two options for the biometric, fingerprint and only screen lock. As I already mentioned, fingerprint is embedded in the power on off button, and screen lock you can put according to your own choice. So I will just skip this step for now. And this is the most important thing when you are setting a Xiaomi phone. This is the page which you need to be very, very careful if you want to avoid any sort of ad or unnecessary malware notification in your smartphone. So location I will disable, I don't want. Send diagnostic data, obviously I will disable. Personalized ads I will disable. I don't want any ads in my phone. Obviously I have purchased it with my own hard-earned money, so why should I allow any ad? Then glance for MI, it's a typical wall carousel option which we find in every Xiaomi phones. It has partnered with various content creating options, where you will receive a lot of various wallpapers. Obviously these are ads beneath it, means once you click those wallpaper, you can the links will be open of the original website. So one sort of ad is there, so I think you should disable this option also. So glance for MI, I will disable it, and I don't want it, man, I don't want it. And user experience program, I don't want to participate, so I will disable it. So now this is it. Set default launcher, you can do is classic or app drawer. So I will choose the app drawer. Obviously I love app drawer in an Android phone. I don't want a iOS style option in Android phone. So setup complete, you are ready to rock. And let me see the screen. I'm very excited because at this price hardly any vendor are giving AMOLED panel with 120 Hz refresh rate. So that's the specialty of Redmi Note 10 Pro. It has Widevine L1 certification. You can watch all your favorite content in Hotstar, in Amazon, in HD content. So yeah, my phone is boot up, and see, just after putting this up, I am getting this notification, Meet Get apps. So I don't want Meet Get apps. Whatever apps I want to download, I will download from the Play Store. Why Xiaomi do this, I don't know. Yeah, but you can disable this. So wow, man, seriously, credit should be given where it's due. It's a very, very bright panel, color accurate, bright panel. What I am saying, Super AMOLED panel, 120 Hz refresh rate. It has HDR10 also, means it supports HDR videos, YouTube, as well as in Netflix, as well as in Amazon Prime, whenever it's available. So Let me check the MIUI version now. You have to go to the settings. Obviously there might be some update, but since I am not connected to the Wi-Fi, so I will show you the default MIUI. So it's MIUI 12.0.6, it's stable MIUI version, and it's based on Android 11 obviously, I think so, yeah, it should be, yeah man, it's Android 11, it should be. Any phone coming right now, if it's not coming with Android 11, I think it's punishable offense, man. See, it's Android 11 right out of the box. Great. So, and security patch right now it's 1st Feb. I think it will be updated once I connect to the Wi-Fi, and once the MIUI version gets updated, I think we will receive the April security patch right now, because already it's May. And out of 128 GB, I am getting 16.5 GB. By default it's occupied. So about you will get roughly 111.5 GB available, but it supports a dedicated micro SD option. This phone supports dual nano SIM and one dedicated micro SD option, and which supports up to 1 TB micro SD card. So that's good. You don't have to compromise with your dual SIM. You can put a dedicated micro SD as well as you can use dual SIM, because most people in India use dual SIM obviously. So this is the initial screen, and this is the initial video. Let me just check what are the bloatware present, because in Xiaomi we know there are a lot of bloatwares present. So yeah, we can find Facebook, this is one bloatware. Prime Video, another bloatware. Amazon is bloatware I think, but you should not consider Amazon as bloatware, since we use Prime Video. I will not consider this as bloatware, but obviously Mi Credit is a bloatware, Mi Pay is a bloatware, LinkedIn is a bloatware. It's Netflix we use, so we can't tell it's a bloatware. Meet Store, it's a bloatware obviously. Now just let me check whether it can be uninstallable or not. Yeah, that's great. Even there is a lot of bloatware, you can uninstall them. See, let me check with the LinkedIn. Yeah, it's uninstallable, and the haptic feedback is great. And when I'm just deleting the app, it gives a very subtle feeling. The haptic, the Z-axis vibration motor which Xiaomi has put in Redmi Note 10 Pro as well as in Note 10 Pro Max is absolutely great. It will give you a very enriching experience. So now let me just show you about the camera. This is the typical camera sample. You have to just allow. Yeah, it's by default is select function for the shutter. Okay, so this is a typical camera setup. 1x, it's a 2x for zoom, obviously it's digital zoom, and the ultra wide is great, man. This is fantastic. F 1.8 aperture and 118 degree of field of view, so it gives a very wide view. And by default it will click 16 megapixel pixel pinning it will do, and there's a dedicated 64 megapixel. So you just need to click this mode option, and in this mode you will find this is 64 megapixel dedicated mode for your sharper images. I will do a full camera comparison. Right now I'm using Samsung Galaxy A52, you guys know that, because I was using this phone, and that phone also has 64 megapixels. So I will make a dedicated camera comparison between the 64 megapixel camera of Redmi Note 10 Pro and 64 megapixel camera of Samsung Galaxy A52, and I will show you that though the camera sensors are same, how both companies handle the images differently. So guys, this was my unboxing and initial impression video. Obviously I will use this phone for the couple of weeks now, and I will make a lot of videos like FAQ video, camera comparison video, obviously full and final review of this phone. If you have any questions, feel free to drop down in the comment section below. You can ask me at Twitter @YourUV, and I will include all the questions in the FAQ video. Guys, take care, see you guys very soon, and subscribe to my channel. Share my video with your friends and family as much as you can, because more you share, the more my channel grows. Thank you guys.